The age of intelligent opportunity. The world of work has changed, and not slowly. By 2025, artificial intelligence has reshaped entire industries, automated repetitive tasks, and rewritten the rules of business and creativity. The jobs many people studied for a decade ago are being phased out. But something else is happening too. New doors are opening. Quietly, steadily, and profitably. AI is not here to destroy work. It's here to change it. And for those who learn how to move with that change rather than resist it, the opportunities are enormous. From writers to designers, strategists to builders, AI is creating a new class of professionals who know how to think with machines rather than fear them. This book is about those people and how you can become one of them. Let's begin with 3 high-income careers that are already thriving in 2025, powered by AI and guided by human intelligence. AI content strategist. With so much content being produced by AI tools, newsletters, blog posts, ads, even scripts, the role of the content strategist has become more valuable than ever. But this isn't the old idea of someone writing content from scratch. This is a hybrid role, part creator, part editor, part strategist, part prompt designer. The AI content strategist knows how to generate ideas, shape messaging, feed those concepts into tools like ChatGPT or Jasper, and refine the results into meaningful, engaging content. They understand what works across platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, Substack, or Medium, and how to tailor AI output to different voices, audiences, and goals. In 2025, many businesses don't want to replace writers with AI. They want experts who can work with AI to create smarter, faster, more scalable content systems. These strategists are in demand not just in marketing agencies, but in tech companies, startups, nonprofits, and even educational platforms. You don't need a degree to get started. What you need is a strong grasp of communication, comfort with AI tools, and a clear understanding of what good content looks like in your chosen niche. Start by practicing daily, improving your AI prompting skills, and building a portfolio. If you can demonstrate the ability to turn ideas into results using AI, clients will find you. Prompt engineer. If AI is the engine, the prompt is the steering wheel, and the person behind that wheel is the prompt engineer. As AI tools become more advanced, their performance depends entirely on the instructions they're given. Crafting those instructions, called prompts, has become a skill in itself, and companies are hiring people who've mastered it. A prompt engineer doesn't need to know how to code. They need to understand how language works, how logic flows, and how to ask the right questions in the right way. This can mean building prompts for customer service bots, content creation systems, AI assistants, research tools, or educational platforms. The work is part experimentation, part writing, and part systems thinking. If you've ever taught someone a complex task step by step, or explained a topic in simple terms, you already have the foundation for this career. The best way to learn is through daily practice. Use tools like ChatGPT and Claude, not just to write, but to think. Ask them to reason, compare, plan, and summarize. Study how they respond. Try tweaking your instructions and noticing the changes. Over time, you'll develop your own techniques, structures, and libraries of prompts. These become assets, your intellectual property in the AI economy. Many prompt engineers are hired full-time by startups, software companies, and even universities. Others freelance, consulting across industries. Either way, the field is growing, and those who learn early will lead. AI integrated product designer, apps, websites, and digital platforms are increasingly powered by AI. But adding AI features isn't just a technical task, it's a design challenge. The AI integrated product designer creates user experiences that make these tools intuitive, ethical, and helpful. In practice, this could mean designing a mobile app with a built-in language assistant or creating a dashboard for an AI analytics tool. It might mean mapping out how users interact with a chatbot or building visual interfaces for personalized learning tools. Wherever AI touches a product, design needs to bridge the gap between machine intelligence and human behavior. This role isn't just for coders or engineers, it's for people who understand visual design, user experience, and digital storytelling. The tools of the trade are things like Figma, Adobe XD, and Webflow, not Python or machine learning algorithms. To get started, begin with simple design challenges. Redesign the interface of an app you already use, imagining how AI could improve it. Create mockups that show how an AI feature might work. Study existing AI products and identify what works and what doesn't. Over time, you can build a portfolio of projects that showcase your design thinking in an AI context. As more companies integrate AI into their products, the need for thoughtful, human-centered design will only grow. Those who can speak the language of both users and machines will be in high demand. We are at the beginning of something much bigger than another tech trend. This is a new phase of human productivity, faster, more dynamic, and filled with uncertainty. But uncertainty breeds opportunity. The people who thrive will be those who take action, experiment, learn, and adapt. The best part? You don't need to be a computer scientist or an engineer to participate in the AI revolution. You just need the right mindset and a commitment to learning how to think differently. The Hidden Giants: 4 lucrative careers in the AI economy. In 2025, most of the attention around artificial intelligence is focused on tools. But tools are only part of the picture. The real value lies in understanding how AI intersects with problems, real problems that businesses, creators, and societies need solved. That's where the next wave of opportunity lies. Beyond the flashy titles and trending buzzwords are emerging roles, careers that aren't just relevant in the AI age, but essential. These are the jobs that build systems, set direction, and manage impact. Let's look at 4 such careers. Each one pays well. Each one is growing fast. And most importantly, each is still wide open for new entrants who are willing to learn and lead. AI business consultant businesses are eager to use AI, but most don't know where to begin. They need someone to help them understand what's possible, what's legal, what's affordable, and what aligns with their goals. That's the role of an AI business consultant. An AI business consultant doesn't build software. They ask the right questions, analyze the company's workflow, recommend AI solutions, and guide implementation. Their job is to understand both the business and the technology and make them work together. This role is ideal for people with business backgrounds, management, finance, marketing, who are ready to upskill in AI. It's also a great fit for ex-founders, strategy consultants, or project managers. You don't need to write code. You need to understand how AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or custom APIs can be integrated into business operations. To get started, focus on a niche you understand well, like healthcare, e-commerce, or education. Learn how AI is being used in that sector. Then offer free or low-cost consultations to build case studies. From there, you can scale up your rates, package your services, or join a consulting firm. AI consultants can charge thousands of dollars per project or earn six-figure salaries in advisory roles. More importantly, they become trusted voices in a market that's still trying to understand itself. AI Ethics and Policy Advisor. Every powerful technology creates new risks, and AI is no exception. Bias in algorithms, data misuse, surveillance, job displacement, and misinformation are all serious concerns. Governments, corporations, and nonprofits are looking for people who can guide them through this complex territory. That's the role of an AI ethics and policy advisor. This job requires more than technical know-how. It needs social awareness, critical thinking, and a deep understanding of how technologies affect people. Advisors help write internal AI policies, evaluate systems for fairness, and ensure that companies follow ethical standards. While many ethics advisors come from legal, academic, or research backgrounds, this field is also open to journalists, sociologists, educators, or former tech professionals who have retrained in digital ethics and policy. To prepare, study major frameworks like the EU AI Act, UNESCO's AI Principles, and corporate AI ethics codes. Take short courses in tech ethics or data governance. Start a blog or LinkedIn series where you reflect on AI in society. Build your voice. This is not just a job, it's a leadership path. The world needs people who can help steer AI development toward equity, transparency, and justice. Those who step into this space early will shape the rules of the next decade. AI-powered video and audio creator. In 2025, content is no longer written first, it's performed. Podcasts, short-form videos, narrated scripts, synthetic voiceovers, and motion design are all booming. Creators who can harness AI tools for video and audio production are turning this demand into serious income. This is the age of the AI-powered content studio. You no longer need expensive gear, big teams, or a professional studio. Tools like Descript, Pictory, 11 Labs, and Runway allow one person to script, voice, edit, and publish high-quality multimedia content in hours, not days. Brands, influencers, educators, and agencies are all looking for skilled creators who can deliver dynamic media fast. This includes reels, explainer videos, audio courses, promotional content, voiceovers, audiobooks, and more. To get started, pick a format, short videos or narrated audio, and master one or two tools. Create sample work in your niche. Post consistently on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, or Substack. Position yourself as someone who helps clients create media that moves. This field favors creators who are fast, flexible, and fluent in visual language. You don't need a massive following. You need skill, speed, and a sharp creative sense. With AI on your side, you can produce more content than ever and charge premium rates for it. No-code AI application builder. Not every entrepreneur can code, but that's no longer a barrier. In 2025, anyone with a good idea and the right tools can build powerful applications using no-code platforms. These platforms allow you to combine AI features with databases, automations, and interfaces without writing a single line of code. Popular tools include Bubble, Softyar, Glide, Zapier, Make, and Retool. These allow you to build web apps, marketplaces, learning tools, customer portals, and more, with integrated AI features like chat, summarization, personalization, or image generation. As a no-code builder, you can work as a freelancer, agency, or solo founder. Businesses are constantly looking for fast, affordable solutions. If you can build those solutions quickly using AI and no-code, you'll always be in demand. Start by solving small problems. Build a simple app that helps freelancers track clients or a tool that summarizes customer feedback using AI. Post your builds on Product Hunt, Indie Hackers, or LinkedIn. Offer to build prototypes for startups, NGOs, or local businesses. This path is perfect for creative problem solvers who want to build without deep tech training. It blends business thinking, design instincts, and AI capability, all in one. And the best part? You can launch and monetize your projects on your own terms. AI is not just a tool. It's a shift in how work gets done, how value is created, and how people express their skills. In these roles, consulting, ethics, content, and no-code building, you're not competing against AI. You're expanding what's possible through it. Breaking in, how to position yourself and succeed in the AI job market. The world doesn't wait anymore. In the AI economy of 2025, updates move faster than college curricula, and skills learned 6 months ago may already be evolving. In this reality, the key to success is not having the perfect background. It's knowing how to enter the market, build credibility, and grow consistently. Whether you're transitioning from another field or just beginning your career, this chapter is your launch plan. You've read about the 11 jobs that are growing, high-paying, and future-proof. Now comes the most important question. How do you actually get hired or make money from them? Let's walk through this strategy. 1. Pick a clear path and niche. The most common mistake people make is trying to learn everything at once. Instead, choose one of the jobs we discussed, something that matches your skills and interests, and go deep. Within that role, choose a niche where demand already exists. For example, instead of trying to be a general AI content strategist, become one who specializes in personal brands for consultants or LinkedIn strategy for B2B startups. If you're a no-code AI app builder, focus on tools for real estate agents or client dashboards for freelancers. An AI business consultant might focus on SMEs in the education sector or automation for online coaches. Specialization doesn't limit you. It builds momentum. Clients and employers trust people who get their industry, even if they're new to AI. Pick your focus and own it. 2. Build a portfolio with real examples. You don't need paid clients to build a portfolio. You need evidence that you can do the job. In the AI world, that means showing how you think, what you build, and how you work with AI tools. For each job role, here's how to create a starter portfolio. Content strategist. Write 3 sample articles using ChatGPT. Show the prompt, the result, and how you edited it. Add a short case study for each. Prompt engineer. Build a library of prompts and use cases. Post your experiments online with explanations. Show improvements over time. AI product designer. Redesign a known product with AI functionality. Create screens and user flows. Explain your decisions clearly. Business consultant, write short analyses of how AI could transform small businesses in your niche. Use visuals, workflows, or mock-up dashboards. No-code app builder. Build a working tool using Softer, Glide, or Bubble. It can be small. Just make it solve a real problem. Use Notion, Canva, GitHub, or a simple website builder to host your portfolio. It doesn't have to be fancy. It just has to be thoughtful and clear. 3. Use LinkedIn and personal branding. In 2025, your digital presence is often more powerful than your resume. LinkedIn remains the single best platform to showcase your skills, attract clients, and find new opportunities, especially in the AI space. Here's how to use it effectively. Update your headline to reflect your chosen role and niche. For example, AI content strategist for Coach's Vertical Bar, turning AI into powerful personal brands, or prompt engineer Vertical Bar, building intelligent systems for startups. Start posting regularly, 2-3 times a week. Talk about tools you're using, lessons learned, prompts tested, or ethical questions raised by AI. Comment on relevant conversations. Support other creators. Show up consistently. Message people directly, but don't sell immediately. Ask good questions. Offer something helpful. Build a relationship first. People are paying attention to AI on LinkedIn more than anywhere else. Your goal is to be seen, understood, and remembered. 4. Start small, learn fast, charge more. Many newcomers worry they aren't ready to charge high fees or apply for big roles. The truth? No one starts at the top. What matters is starting with real work, then leveling up fast. In your early days, look for opportunities such as offering a free project to a startup or nonprofit in exchange for a testimonial, working on freelance platforms like Contra, Upwork, and Fiverr to gain experience, joining AI hackathons, challenges, or product sprints. These often lead to job offers, teaching others what you've learned. Tutorials, webinars, and short guides establish authority. With each project, raise your rates. With each success, refine your pitch. You don't have to wait for someone to give you permission. Create the momentum yourself. 5. Keep learning without getting stuck in a loop. In the AI space, it's easy to fall into the trap of endless learning. There's always a new tool, update, or framework. While it's important to stay current, it's even more important to ship, to build, write, launch, publish. Here's a learning strategy that works. Spend 1 hour a day learning courses, podcasts, tools. Spend 2 hours applying, building, creating, selling, connecting. Every week, reflect and refine your goals. And remember, depth beats noise. You don't need to chase every new feature. Master the fundamentals of one job path and become known for it. That's how trust is built. 6. Understand the AI market's needs. What do clients and companies really want in 2025? Speed. AI lets you produce more, faster. Show how you save time and increase output. Clarity. Most people are still confused by AI. Explain your process clearly and patiently. Customization. One size fits all won't work. Clients want tailored workflows and strategies. Trust. AI can produce misinformation or errors. They want someone who can guide with judgment. The more you understand their concerns and solve for them, the more valuable you become. 7. Think long-term. Yes, the AI space is fast, but success still takes time. Building a reputation developing expertise, and earning trust don't happen overnight. The people who will thrive long term are those who treat this as a career, not a trend. That means investing in community. Surround yourself with others building in the space. Collaborate. Share. Reputation. Be someone who delivers value, not hype. Follow through. Ethics. Make thoughtful decisions. AI affects lives. Your standards matter. The AI revolution isn't about becoming a robot. It's about becoming more human, smarter, faster, clearer, and more capable of shaping meaningful work. This is your moment, not just to earn, but to redefine what you're capable of in the new economy. The tools are here. The markets are wide open. The knowledge is accessible. All that remains is your action.